Hi, my name is Mzeta Rotondwa and I'm back again with another tutorial. Thanks for coming back to my channel again. Now we're gonna be learning about the alphabet and also the sound that comes with alphabets. Now, the previous tutorial we learned about alphabets, consonants, and also vowels. Now we have got this alphabet that is a vowel. Alphabet A. It is a vowel. Now its sound does change depending on the word that is being pronounced or said. Now alphabet B, the sound that comes with alphabet B, it's b, b, like B, by. Now we have got the alphabet C. Now alphabet C comes with the sound cake, cat. Okay. Now if we mix this one and this one, then for it will say k, k. Now we have got alphabet D. Alphabet D, the sound of alphabet D, it's d, 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 do, d, die, d. Now we have got alphabet E. E is the second alphabet on our vowels. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now we have got alphabet F. Alphabet F. The sound that comes with alphabet F is fly. Four. Now we have got alphabet G. Alphabet G. Now alphabet G comes with the sound g, 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 like go, like give. Now after alphabet G, we have come to alphabet H. The sound that comes with alphabet H is he, his, have, him, who. No, sorry. Alphabet H, who is the combination, eh? Now H comes with things like have, house, him. Now alphabet I. I is the third or alphabet number 3 on our vowels. Like I said, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So I is also vowel. Now consonants. Alphabet J, it's our consonant. Now it comes with the sound G, 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 like a jet. It's flying away. Like a jeep, a car. Okay, now alphabet K. Be very careful. There is alphabet C. It has got the sound k, k, k. And alphabet K, it has also got the sound k, 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 k. Because mostly you find that you students, you write the word cake because you love eating, and you say cake starting with alphabet K, and it starts with alphabet C. Now this K, the sound is k, k, like a kite flying away, a kite. Okay? Alphabet L. The sound that comes with alphabet L is like love. Okay? Now, let's talk about these other alphabets. Now, we have got this alphabet M. M. If you listen to it, it's saying M. It's not saying M. But the sound says me. Money. Move. Move. Okay, now we have got alphabet N. N. The sound is These two, they sound almost alike. Now N, it's like when I say no, no, nice. Okay. Now we have got alphabet O. Alphabet O is alphabet number 4 when it comes to our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. It's not a consonant, it's a vowel. Now let's come to the next consonant, P. Alphabet P. Alphabet P now give us a sound like pie. Food. Pie. Now from P we have got alphabet Q. Q. And the sound says Q, like a queen. A queen. Question. Now we have got this other consonant R. 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 Now the sound that is produced with this alphabet R, it is not R, it is red, read, right. Guess another word. Aha. Now we have got another consonant, S. Alphabet S. S. This one, S. And the sound says S. So, I've been hearing you guys saying, so what? So, see, I see you. Okay? Now we have got alphabet T. And the sound says two. It has got words like to, take, tie. Okay, now we have got U. Alphabet U, it is our last vowel. A, E, I, O, U. It is our last vowel. Now, we come to the alphabet V. And the sound of alphabet V is very. Hey, I see you. You're about to say pa. Very. Now we've got alphabet W. Alphabet W. The sound says ooh. You mix it with this one, Y, ooh, and I know their sound are not the same. This one, W, it's woo, like we, wait, woo. Now we have got alphabet X. Now alphabet X, the sound is X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Normally you don't find it in the beginning of the words, you find it in the middle of the words to give the sound, but it does start in the beginning, but mostly you find it in where? In the middle. Now let's come to the alphabet Y. Now alphabet Y, the sound says E. Not this one. Ooh. This one says E. Like when you say you. You. When you say yes. Yes. Now we have got alphabet Z. The alphabet Z, the sound says Z. Example, zoo, zebra. Now, those were the sounds and the alphabet. Now, I want you to repeat them for me and repeat them for your parents and repeat them for your friends while you are playing. You will realize that each and every day you use all these alphabets. So now we have got 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U.